Hi friends, welcome back to Catable. This is Engineer Brian Umar, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to apply color in Blender. I'm using Blender 2.93. So let's go to the Blender, and this is the default cube. So first I will apply some loop cuts to this default cube. So let's go to the edit mode. Press R, which is the shortcut key for loop cut. I will change number of cuts to 2. And okay, we can apply some loop cuts here as well, but I think that will work for us. So let's change this from vertex to face selection, and first I will apply a single material onto this cube, and then I will apply, let's say, 3 to 4 materials onto these faces. So for this I'll go to here material properties, and you can see this is the default material. Here you cannot see the material preview. You have to change this to this one, and now you can see this is the default preview of a Blender. And let's go to your base color, and let's say I want to change this base color to let's say this one. Okay, so this color is basically applied onto this cube, and here you can see all these properties. Now here I'm not going into the details of these properties. Okay, so let's create another material. First I need to select all these faces, or let's say I will select all these faces later. So let's make another material. Select this one, add material slot, new, and I will change this to, let's say, dark blue. And now you can see that no material preview is generated. Let's say I want to apply this material that we have just created onto this loop. I will press Alt Z, so that I will convert this preview to wireframe, and I can select these backward faces as well. So press Alt Z, I will select this one, and now you can see that I can select this back face as well. Also hold Shift key, and I will select this one, and now you can see that I have selected this loop. So I'll go to this material that we have just created, and I will assign, and now you can see that 2 materials are applied. Let's make another material, and let's go to here this sign, add material, new, and I will change this to, let's say, dark red. Okay, and now I need to select faces so that I can apply this red color onto that faces. So I'll go to the top plane, and I will select this face, and now you can see that this backward face is also selected because wireframe mode is on. I will go to here this material, and I will assign, and now you can see that this red color is applied onto these faces. So that's how you create different materials and you apply onto faces in Blender. So I will press Alt Z, and now wireframe mode is off. Lastly, I will show you I can reuse material as well. So let's say I want to apply red color onto this face. Okay, so first I need to select this face, and I will go to here this one, and I will assign, and now you can see that this red color is also applied onto this face. So that concludes this exercise, and I hope you like it. And if you have any questions related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.